Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to use a double-ended crochet hook. They come in several sizes depending upon what you are making. One purpose of a double-ended crochet hook is to make non-curling Tunisian crochet with multiple colors. Another is to do Tunisian crochet in the round for hats, cowls, and bags. We'll start with working in the round first by chaining 30. It doesn't matter which end of the hook you use first. We'll connect this chain into a circle with a slip stitch to begin working in the round. And I'm marking my first stitch so I know where my beginning and ending stitches are. It helps to already know Tunisian crochet, so see my beginner videos if you need help. We'll draw up loops in the chain just as we would for normal Tunisian crochet, and work as far as you can before the yarn becomes too tight to work with. Then, turn the hook so the stitch marker faces the other way. Place a slip knot on a new color yarn or another yarn strand of the same color. Then pull the hook through the first stitch. Now, take loops off in groups of 2, as we normally do with Tunisian crochet. Stop when you get to the last 2 dark coral stitches. Turn your hook again, and then continue drawing up loops as we did before until we really can't do any more. Turn the hook, and then take off loops in groups of 2, as we normally do with Tunisian crochet. Leaving the last 2 dark coral stitches alone. Now we have more room on our hook to continue drawing up loops from those 30 chains. Finish drawing up from the last chain, then turn your hook and take off loops in groups of 2 until 2 dark coral loops remain. Now we'll begin normal Tunisian simple stitch. For the next round of stitches, I'm beginning by drawing up loops from underneath the previous dark coral stitches. I stop once I can't really work any more loops. Then turn my hook and proceed to take off loops in groups of 2 with the light peach yarn. Continue by drawing up as many loops as you can around, then taking them off in groups of 2 as needed. Next, I'll show you another purpose of double-ended crochet hooks, which creates a non-curling, colorful Tunisian fabric. I'll start with a chain of 15. Draw up loops for each chain across as in traditional Tunisian crochet. Now, turn the hook. Place a slip knot on your hook with the green yarn. Then take off 1 blue loop to start. And just as in traditional Tunisian crochet, take off loops in groups of 2. And from now on, we'll do 2 passes or rows of each color. So I'll start with the green again. And this time, I'm changing things up a bit by entering into the top part of the Tunisian stitch and drawing up loops. Any type of Tunisian stitch or technique really can be used here. Once the green is completed, turn the hook Then just bring up the blue yarn from the previous row and use it to take off the loops. We'll use the blue again this time to draw up loops. Turn, then pull up the green yarn and use that to take off the loops using the traditional Tunisian methods. Continue with this process for as many rows as you wish, even adding a new color in if you'd like. And that's how I use a double-ended crochet hook.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.